In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mico Widget app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is to go ahead and download the Mico Widget and Live Wallpaper app from your Play or App Store. Now, once we've done that, I want to go ahead and open it up for the first time. Now, for the first time using it, there is going to be ads in this application because it is free to use. So what we can do is watch ads to unlock the following benefits. You can go ahead and watch ads for this, but I'm just going to go ahead and give up for this. Now, if you are annoyed by all ads, we can go ahead and click on remove all ads and sign up with a subscription plan. So you do have that option if ads are annoying you. Now from here, we want to go ahead and choose or create a wallpaper or theme. So at the bottom here, we got different tabs. So we got wallpapers, and then we can sort by new different categories here. So you can check out those ones. Also, we've got themes that we can use, so we can slide up and down to choose a theme. And then also we got widgets on the bottom here, so we got a photo, reel, music, calendar, battery that we can add into our or enable. So now if you want to activate any one of these, so we can go to wallpaper, and now we can preview a few of these. So if I want to use, say, this one, I'm going to click into it, and as I said before, there are going to be ads popping up because we are using the free version. Now if you want to go ahead and apply that wallpaper, you can, so you can hit apply here. We can also add stickers, so we can add some battery stickers here. Also we got some ribbons, some hours, so it's highly customizable. Now we can also export the image as well. So if I want to add this sticker, I can just simply click onto it. We can add only want one of them and stuff. We can change the color in that if we want, so I can change the color to that. Click on add stickers, then we can move this around and then click done once we like that. Now if we click on the themes, we can do the same theme here. So if I want to do, say, a retro cowboy, that actually looks quite cool, so just click into it. These ads are quite annoying too, by the way, so yeah, I do recommend paying for the subscription if you are going to use it daily. So yeah, see, here it is here, so I can go ahead and check out this theme and apply it if I like. Now if we go ahead and click on the Mine tab, we can go ahead and log in or create an account here as well. We've got the help center, so we can restore. We've got their language. You want to change your language and stuff, you can, and you can hide your widget name. So yeah, basically that's a quick rundown of how to use this Mico Widget app.